So you just got your first Soulmask server and you want to give yourself admin. With Pine Hosting, this is super simple. All you have to do is click the server you want to manage, then head over to the Startup tab and make sure you set an admin password. So this can be anything, obviously. This is what you use in-game to grant yourself admin privileges and open the management panel. So I'm just going to set this to Pine Hosting. Once that's done, go back to your console page and make sure your server gets a restart or started if it's offline. Once your server's booted up, you can obviously just join it like normal. Once you've loaded into the server, all you have to do is hit the tilde key on your keyboard. That's the one normally to the left of the 1 on your keyboard, like the squiggly line. If you hit that, it'll bring up a console thing at the very bottom there, where you type in gm space key and then your password. So in this case, we set it to Pine Hosting. And then there we go. That opens up the admin panel. From here, you can type in the password again, where it says enter the password, type in Pine Hosting, and then click become the admin. From there, you have full control over all the server settings. You can go into this page here, adjust all the settings, reset them, toggle everything, and then that'll apply to the server just like it would apply to a single player game. You also have access to all of these things as well, which is great. From this page, you can also spawn in items by just clicking them over here. You can also change the time of day by just dragging the slider. But that covers all the basic settings. Obviously, if you have any more advanced questions, feel free to open a ticket with our support team and we'll be happy to help.